Welcome back to my channel. People, what is going on? Wally Pagalang, yeah. No, sir, this is serious. Wally Pass we have to cover, so no one run, quick and fast. And we have long fit talk. And we have, we have to get through it quick. We are going to mind people business this morning. And we are going to mind food one too, but we have to mind people business coming on. Like, they mix up and they blend up over here. No, so no like it. But as soon as they put out the mix up, no come, no found no run, come listen. And go on like, not like it. So, and I run out and Lady V, yeah. And 13, yes. So, me don't understand the whole thing, make sense to me. The storyline no make sense, yeah. The drama no make sense. Because when you're watching a drama, it have to make sense, but it don't make sense because Anna saying her sister living in Antigua and her sister being blamed for some content material or TC used. And remember it quite clearly where TC go up on her platform and she put out Lady V partner information out there. Yeah, put out the address, a same business address and so on. So now she's saying that her sister get the blame, say she give the information. She come up with her guns blazing, say that if anything happened to her sister, because her sister being them me looking for her sister, and her mother tell her to come out and address it. But this year the kind of addressing was really mix up. I mean never see Anna do them a kind of mix up before, yeah. So this peace treaty turning a war treaty has appeared. War Mr. go on since this peace talk. So we might as well just say war upon social media, we might get peace, yeah. Every time Lady V come out and talk about peace, just always some kind of galangings. This is what I see. Yeah, so me go over Lady V and go look, and the story is completely different from what Anna's saying. So none of it don't make sense. But when we look over by the pop-up shop, over by TC, me see Anna run up and down in the comment section, yes. And what come to mind, I think is TC the driving force behind all this too, because I know say she have beef with Lady V and she have beef with 13. So me know say TC like to push the fire. Yeah, push the fire and get people to side, yeah, with certain things. And that's what I was kind of getting from it, the way me see Anna over there run up and down over her yard. And I say whatever. So, and that's the question I ask if a TC had the driving force behind it. Because I know how she likes to stay behind and poke the fire and hide her hand. But anyway, when I stop on that too long, another little thing, we see somebody turning on one carbon copy of TC. Them just I start them moving on the tube and I start to build up on platform. Yeah. And because we know every little building work and every little thing we're going around here, because we look around and we see and we watch, yeah. So me go around at one place and big platform actually, and me hear the little talking at once. So when me go look, go investigate, me see Miss Retainer, the lady that went over by the big platform. Yeah, go down at the big platform, but talk her business, yes. And then people say things in the comment section and she said she got so. Yeah. And she, me see, round a one corner, a trace. Yeah, she had trace the man in the dark. The big platform, and who else again? The Dolly lady, Princess Dolly, and Mojo. She a cuss and she a cut her cloth. And I thought this woman look like she become a carbon copy of TC. Yeah. So she sound just like TC, and then she put one shot about the money like the dark. I don't know the money like the dark get in the argument, but she put one shot up say him not have no papers and he can't go nowhere. Yeah, and to be honest, me look at the whole thing and it's quite laughable really, to be honest, because I think it to myself, but if you are gonna really sue somebody, yeah, if you're really gonna sue somebody and you say you're an intelligent professional person, that your behavior doesn't really match it, really, you know, we have to talk it as we go, we're not afraid to talk. Yeah, because you're there on your platform and cut up cloth and I go on these things. It's just like you're just trying to frighten people. Yeah. None of it don't make no sense. These people don't make no sense to me because they're the ones that say them educated and them this and them that. But your behavior does not match, you know, what you're saying. Yeah, it don't match it at all. Yeah. Me not get it anyway, but she cuss and she go along. Yes, and from what me see, it look like say she want a bus off of the big platform. She use the big, she's using her thing now. See whether she can get a bus. Yeah, to build up her YouTube channel after that, the back of what did go down there. Yes, because she said she was so upset about the whole thing and embarrassed and all that, but I don't see embarrassment here, so because if you wasn't embarrassed, you wouldn't keep coming out now and now you're gone, you're below one channel now, because out people, you know, prove, you know, if me did, maybe I'm different, say, maybe you're embarrassed, but me not get that bit anyway, the cussing and the galangings, that's the part that I don't get. Anyway, it's just like, it's just a bit of scaremongering, yes or no. So, and that me I go say. So moving on from there, so I hope a story I want to get through quick and fast. So moving on from there, so the camp open back up now. Then clean up the mess, yes. And the volcano seco down now. Volcano seco. And yeah, so low, back to business now. Scamming argument, FBI and every higher going over there now, yeah. Another higher going this year, yeah. So one little thing we come to tell you quick and fast anyway. Low, you can't talk too loud. You know, but I go say no because I over there me hear it with me 2 years them and me ears them did clean. Cause me can't see that video they know. She was in morning devotion, yeah. And then she talks, she's back and she go sell some cake. For Christmas, she didn't do that last year. I remember last year she did do cake. I did remember the man there. It did say she did do cake. And you know what I mean? Say it was undercover and the lady did do a mysterious cake review. So she said she go do cake and she go sell them reasonable. And she go sell mugs and glasses and things, yes. So but me not see that video this morning. When me look over there this morning, she take 5.5 hours out of her night or her evening and she was on the scamming talk. But me can't find the other video, so but I saw me hear it. Me hear it clean, so she go sell some merchandise and cake. So she probably thought about it and take it down because she know, you know, the lady don't have the cake shop, she know, like the competition now, you know. Yeah. But anyway, she said she's on her own now. She have a couple little shop on one corner, one bend. Yeah, and you know, Michelle did find out say that shop belonged to her. And she have one of that shop off the back of that shop and she of course say, yeah, both Michelle and so on, and then she said that the people them from over the Lolo platform attack her and what's going on and them as black but as the planka people them and something. So any little thing me want to hear what she have to say me go down and that little shop they go look. Me fine. You know every little shop around here me fine. Every little corners and curb me fine, yeah. So yeah. But yes, cartoon now. Let's go to cartoon. Cartoon. Yeah. She was talking. Me no know if I shop one or shop number two, but me know say um TC was talking about cartoon and the talk. I think she come out to go clear up her um VIH status. Me talk it backward because I don't want to say it like that. So yes, so she was talking about that down there. Yes, so that down there. So but I was thinking it's so sad when people have to come and here come talk out them medical history and all and something there. It don't make sense. But from what we can gather, it look like a little charity thing in that one over there. Can't do it, get the charity to stack up and kind of get it on the road. Yeah, and it look like Lolo, he want to do charity, and then Michelle tell her no, she can't run no marathon because they might tear down charity, so not gonna look good. But we know say to be truthful, that Lolo want to be like the big platform. We know her obsession, she want to be that big platform. Yeah. Because she go sell her merchandise. Anybody can sell merchandise and cake and everything still. But the way certain people go on and then them follow fashion. Yeah, they want to do it and then feel a way numb. Yeah. But them do it in a one then. Me not charge much money for this and me not charge much money for that, I could sell mug, I'll do me the mug. Anyway, when one woman don't talk and she's out,